Okay, everybody. Here is your recording that I promised you. Okay, so that instruction, or I don't have it open here, is saying that you should create a table with only one field, and it is country. And that is the one thing that I didn't show you, and I know I didn't because I didn't realize it was going to come up in the assignment. But here it is. Okay. So they want you to create one table. Here is my table design, and they want you to say it is just country. Okay, they want you to then make this obviously the primary key because it's just one field in this table and it is text. So we are going to close it, say yes to saving it, and we are calling it the country table. Is it country or city? Yo, I think it's city. Okay, let me just quickly cancel this. And I'm not opening anything, I'm just working out of my head here. So, but the principle is the same. Okay, so yes, I want to save it, and I'm saving it as city. Okay, so here I have my city table, and in here they want you to add cities. Okay, so I'm adding a couple of cities in here. It's obviously not the cities that they want you to enter. Oh, can't spell Bloemfontein today. Bloemfontein. And what else? Durban. Sorry. Okay, so I've entered a couple of things in here and I'm closing it. So when I open this, you will see it is here. Now this you can close because if we don't use it, we can close it. So here we have one table with one field and it contains only the names of a couple of cities. Okay. Now they are probably, and that is the instruction that we didn't do last time when it came to the lookup table. Okay. So there's obviously another table. I'm not sure what all of them are, but I'm just gonna create something out of my head here. And we have this as a short text, and then here we have city. Okay, so of course you will follow the instructions. And then customer number will be our primary key, and then here we have city. And what that instruction is basically meaning is that you are going to get the values for your list from this table. Okay, so you are going to say short text, but you're going to go down here to look up wizard. And then here, instead of choosing what we always choose, because we always choose this one, which says, I will type the values I want. So instead of choosing that one, you are going to keep it at the first one, which says, I want the lookup field to get the values from another table or query, and here is your other table now. Okay, Yazel. So here is my other table. So I will now select the first one. Now you just choose whatever else you have, and we only have one other one, which is city. So then I'm going to say it's a table, and the name of the table is city. And we have only that one field, so we are selecting it, and then that is the one that we are going to use. When you get to this screen, you can actually sort it ascending or not. It doesn't matter, which just means it's going to put it in alphabetical order. And then I think this is our list that we have in alphabetical order. And then we can just click on finish. Okay. Now it says the table must be saved before relations can be created. Save now. Yes, save now. And this table is probably going to be something like customers. And then we click on OK. So now we have the city table over here. And of course, there's it says the table is open. Okay. And there's nothing in there either. Okay. So I'm just closing this. Closing this. So we created the relationship because we are referring to another field in another table. But remember, our customers table is empty. No? Otherwise, now you would not see, you're not seeing anything in here because there's nothing in here. But that is how that question works. Okay, hope this was helpful.